about it right now. Everything's okay. No matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all...
So, hello, welcome back to a new vlog with me. My plan for today is to clean my whole room after the exam. So first of all clean my desk, then my bathroom, and after my closet. So let's go! First of all, the bathroom. So right now I would like to do that to my brush. So you can see me right there? Okay. I just finished my bathroom. I wanna take a break. I wanna eat something. Snacks, and then I wanna come back to finish my room and then the closet. So right now it's just 1:30 and I would like to start my room and after my desk. And just after or just tomorrow I will start my closet because it's really huge the effort that I would make, and after I have the workout so I don't have enough time.
body stealing covers. I like to drink to myself, so I'ma have another no. I
Right there all the eyes product that I use, and right there medical and cream, mask, and right there lipstick and the mirror. And after I have all the material technology that I use, and right there just a box, and right there just my light. That's it. And for the okay, there is a lot of echo and there is a lot of noise, so okay. For the bathroom, here is just my hair clips, my gel, my oil, and my deodorant, and all the cream that I use. After I have just my cream the cream of my hair, a brush, toothbrush, and right there the thing that I use to do my baby hair with the gel. That's it. For this, I did it last summer. It's just a rainbow, a normal rainbow. That I did it last summer.
And as you're talking, I start thinking, all the details start to sink in. But I don't care about the right now. Spend the summer in this beach house, 'cause I was right.
So I'm just saying that it's been a long day that I filmed the first part, and right now it's 8 p.m. I'm finally motivated to do it. And also I just cut my hair. You don't see it, but this is... Now we are seeing this part, my desk. So we have to do it right now. I just make a little butter right there to maintain it. I'm just going to finish my clothes and then I will show you the final result, because I do just the half of my clothes. I have the other half, which is just right now. Just beginning with the last drawer, just because it's the more organized, and also because I will do the last, then the second, and after the first, which is the less organized. I just found a poster of Shawn Mendes. Oh my god, what is it? So I finally just finished to organize and to clean my entire room. Right now I will just show you what I would do during this 3-4 day that because I can't see myself, I will wear my glasses. We are starting first of all with the bed. I do it just here. My desk. I do it right here, just to have all this space to do my workout and not to be very close to my bed. I just organized this with a different side, but it's the same thing. I do like a rainbow. Yellow, after green, after orange, etc. And for my book, I just organized the book that I would like to read this summer. This three thriller book in French, and after Ugly Love by Colin Hoover. After just I finished the French book, I will move to the English book Ugly Love, that a lot of influencer, and I heard a lot of things very great about it in TikTok, but also in YouTube by a recommendation of YouTuber, etc. So I would like to try it. This is all the book that I would like to read, and this is the book that I already read. And to pass right here, it's all my bag. And right here I just do it. After I just have my basket, etc. So it's not interesting to show you. And right there I just have my clothes that I organized. There I just have all my shirt, all my t-shirt, sportswear t-shirt also there, and this all my pants, and right here my leggings and my jogging, and right here my dresses and my pajamas. That's it. So that's it for my room. That's it for today's vlog. I hope that you like my video. You can also subscribe to my channel, but also to my Instagram page. So it was Abrar by Abrar Sunset channel. So if you like it, subscribe, and goodbye.
Just make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Look away so you won't see.